Out of line and now out of a job tonight. Dallas police have fired a 911 operator over racist remarks on Facebook. You saw it first on WFAA.com. News 8 brought these comments to the attention of city officials. And now tonight we reveal the postings about African Americans and Latinos from a person whose job it is to protect the public. Channel 8's Rebecca Lopez has this News 8 exclusive.
911, what's the address of your emergency?
911 operators are the lifeline between victims and police. It's a critical job. That's why city officials are alarmed by recent Facebook postings obtained by News 8. We received these screenshots from a source. They're from the Facebook page of Dallas 911 operator April Sims. Here is one post from her page. Black people are outrageous. They are more like animals. They never know how to act, always causing problems. I can count on one hand the black people I know who don't have expletive for brains. We showed the controversial postings to City Councilman Dwayne Caraway.
Number one, I'm shocked, and it saddens me to know that this is going on and it's still taking place in today's time, especially here at 911.
Remember, Sims is a 911 operator who complains on Facebook posts about calls from African Americans. You want to call 911 because your boyfriend puts his hands on you and you want to press charges when you don't even know his real name? Sure, let's make a police report for Dino. That's his street name. And the posts go on. I can count on one hand the black people I know who aren't selfish. The department screens social media when hiring police officers, but not 911 operators. It does expect all employees, though, to follow its social media policy, which prohibits them from posting anything that adversely affects the morale, confidence, and public respect of the department. Sims was hired back in December when Dallas police were trying to quickly hire 911 operators after delays in responding to critical cases like Deanna Cook. Her murder was captured on a 911 call. Through a series of mistakes, though, her body wasn't found until 2 days after her call for help.
Well, not just embarrassing the department, but this embarrasses the city. And we need to make sure that we get a handle on this.
We tried to contact April Sims to confirm she was the one who posted the comments, but were unable to reach her. But in her Facebook, someone asked her if someone hacked her page. She responds by saying she stands by every word. Rebecca Lopez, Channel 8 News.
Now, Sims did reach out to Rebecca via email tonight and said nothing on her Facebook page has been deleted and did not want to speak with us.